Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome, welcome. Today, another special treat, a salad for your lunch. What is it? Southwestern black bean salad. Just take a look at this, the perfect lunch. And this will keep you going all day with the black beans, the corn, and this, lemony dressing that you're going to put on, and the tomatoes. And guess what? Avocado. This is going to keep you on your feet all day and push you right through dinner. So let's get going here. Grab yourself a mixing bowl and let's add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of your favorite olive oil. Now get 1 small lime or lemon, and I want you to squeeze all the juice into it just like this. And this is going to give that awesome tangy flavor to your salad. Now let's add some salt. How much? Not too much. Be careful with the salt. Now when it comes to pepper, add as much as you want, black or white. Now this is an option, but I recommend it. 1 tablespoon of red hot pepper, an excellent source of increasing your metabolism to keep your weight under control. Now let's stir it until it becomes frothy. Get yourself a larger bowl and let's add about 1 cup of black beans and let's have them rinsed and drained and ready for use just like this. Add 1 small red onion, finely chopped, and I like using this onion because of the color and its sweetness. Add about half a cup of corn. Now make sure that it's rinsed and drained and well prepared for the salad. Now let's add about 3/4 of a cup of cherry tomatoes. I have sliced them in the middle. If you want more, please add them. Now let's take your dressing and I want you to add just about half. I don't want you to add all of it at this point. And now I want you to start mixing and folding and mixing very gently. Now let's add the other half of the dressing. And once again, let's start mixing and folding. And I like you to be gentle because I don't want the beans to be smashed. Here comes one of my favorite ingredients is 1 medium avocado and chop it basically any way you want it. Now, once again, let's start mixing, but I want you to only fold this time because once again, I don't want the avocado to be squished. Now, to make it a perfect lunch, let's add about 1/4 cup of green onions. And to finish it off and to make it perfect, about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Once again, let's start to fold it in very gently. And here we go. Well, here it is. I let it usually rest for about half an hour in the refrigerator before serving. Now let's really bring this in close and let's really tease you. Now tell me, don't you really want this for lunch? Pop it in the microwave. In a few seconds, it is ready and it'll keep you going all day. So once again, I reached the end of my video. Thank you for watching. And once again, I have to say thank you very much from Tony and Cooking Around. Goodbye for now.